inside the VIVO'S manufacturing facility in Noida, and we have first landed here at the mounting line where the motherboard of a phone is made, and right now what they're working on is the small motherboard. You will see a stencil that is printing out the motherboard. We are here at the assembly line now of the Vivo manufacturing facility, and this is where the birth of a Vivo smartphone takes place. So as you can see right now, they have a screen nicely covered up with plastic, and the screen is being pushed through. This is where, as you can see, the camera lens is being added to the phone. And this is where the battery is added, plus the cushioning along with the battery is done. And there's a test happening if the battery is okay and everything is okay. All the phones that are ready are put into the charging station for their battery test. Vivo has a lot of machinery here to test the phone once it's ready, and as you can see, there are a number of tests for Wi-Fi, for USB, for battery, for camera, for the color of the screen. Everything here in these big boxes is being tested, and as you can see, the line keeps running. So once the phone is ready, it keeps going forward. So now we are literally at the end of the line, which is the packaging line, and here the completely tested phones are being put into the box along with the charger, the manual, and everything that you get in a Vivo box. So as we can see, it's a Vivo Y91 box that is being packaged here. The box is almost ready. All they have to do is check the RFID, and they wrap it up and they put it here in the carton. So this is the final phone that has been assembled here at the Vivo factory in Noida.